All right, so Bitcoin dropped again from 73,000, almost $700. And you guys can clearly see that after we went above and we got support from this level, which I told you guys in the previous video that I had, within these two to three lines, you guys could make a lot of money because we had a lot of supports and resistance. These three lines are really good at showing you where you guys could get into shorts or longs, of course with having stop losses. All right, so I short my Bitcoin from $73,000 and I close it as soon as I saw that we are getting above again. And I was long in my post that I posted, and I closed it as soon as I saw weakness from like getting support around this area, because I was guessing we might see another support around here and go out higher. But as soon as I saw that we are going below, as you guys see that this shadow that went up, I closed my long and got into short, and got another short. And this was the perfect example that you guys see that we had this support around here, and we are getting another support around here. Okay, so we can see that Bitcoin going up to touch this level one more time, and if it doesn't break above this level one more time again, we're gonna probably go back and touch this line this time. So we had these two touches to this line, and you guys see, if I continue down, you guys see that we have one support here, we had resistance, 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 bunch of resistance here. So that's why these three lines are very good at showing you where you guys can actually trade Bitcoin. I've been telling you guys that $12,000 is still possible because of just one example. I don't care what ETF is, I don't care what the what the bull market is. A lot of times, guys, we are at $73,000 and we need to have retracements. And before having retracements, like a healthy one, it's gonna pay us. It's gonna cost us a lot. Okay, because we keep pushing higher without having decent volume, without having. It doesn't make sense with the economy as well, as I said before. So this was a really good support that you guys saw, that we had this support one more time and we pushed higher. But you guys see that the higher high that we made was very weak. The second one, that's why we did not really push it even higher. I am still on my word. I can tell you guys, it might not even get to $76,000, 76, $77,000. But because we have already broken below this line, yes, we had this breaking below one more time, but we pushed higher. That's why I'm saying, if we do not push higher and we continue up, we're gonna probably go and retest almost around this level, which I will give it one or I mean, this is 4 hour chart. We might be next day or two this happening, that we might have even a retracement down to $66,000, 64 to $66,000. Okay, so don't be surprised if this happens. But I can still see that we have a really great support in here. So if we have the support, we can actually push higher. But you guys can see that how I have been telling you guys that this blue line can be a great support. And you see that if I zoom in, let me make it bigger. This is clearly showing you guys that we are getting another support around here. And if we get support around here, we might go back down to touch this line, because it was the end of this rally base rally. So we could still go down to even 3.7% USDT dominance. And so that means USDT is going to lose dominance and pour into altcoins and Bitcoin. So that means that Bitcoin could push higher, or Bitcoin could go sideways for a while and the money flow into altcoins, and that will be our another alt season. But eventually, I have been telling you, we're gonna probably get rejected and we're gonna push higher in USDT dominance very hard, and that's gonna crash the market eventually. So everybody who is laughing in the comments, my time is gonna come and I'm gonna laugh at you next time. Okay, I'm not gonna laugh at you, but you're gonna learn your lessons in a very hard way. Okay, none of these are financial advice. Do not trade based on what I'm saying, but this is what I'm telling you. A lot of people are laughing. A lot of people do not like what I'm saying, but this is the chart. We see, if we imagine bull run like this part right here, you guys see a lot of times Bitcoin goes up and down, could go up and down, and it does not mean that every time halving is gonna work exactly the same. Okay, since you guys always have been getting a lot of comments that you guys saying ETF have changed everything. Maybe, yeah, it have changed everything, but what if it has changed it to the worst too? It could change it to the worst short term. So you guys keep laughing, and my time is gonna come. Then I'm gonna be your favorite YouTuber, and I'm not gonna laugh at you the same as you have been laughing, because I don't like to make fun of people. But honestly, I'm just patient. I'm patient to prove you wrong, and you're gonna see what's gonna happen. This is still our total market cap. It does not have to push up to even $3 trillion, our all-time high in total market cap. It can retrace back down to below 0.76786 Fibonacci retracement. If that happens, and if we cannot push, because last time, if you guys look at this, we got rejected, although we pushed higher than 0.76786 Fibonacci retracement, and it does not really have to go touch it just because we have passed through it. So if we get rejected and close this the weekly candle below this line, we could go back down, and that's going to be end of the bull run for now. I would say bear market rally, because halving is close. We're going to have rate cuts. It does not matter how they're going to delay it. We have been going up way too much, way too high, and a lot of people are going to pay the price for being too bullish. Anyways, I am still waiting, and I'm still holding a lot of altcoins that I do not care where Bitcoin is going, so I am safe on that. But be careful. I care enough to keep telling you guys this. So it's going to keep getting worse and worse. Just remember this date. Just remember what I have been telling you guys in my videos, and you've been laughing at it. Go ahead and do the same, and we'll see what's going to happen. All right. So take care. I will see you in the next video. Peace.